So the next thing we'll be doing is, remember, this is still on the local host. Now what we want to do is to make sure that we host this platform, our appointment system. We want to host it on a server such like you can always access this on the internet. Now it doesn't just stop there. You can access it on the internet while even updating your code. So as you make changes to your code, you push these new files to this server. I don't know if that's clear. Now, remember that these files are being stored on your system. If you can remember when we talked about hosting and buying of domain names and linking them together. So an address is a unique identifier for your website. Now, all these files are on your local host. So we use our file manager or the FileZilla app for file transfer protocol, FTP software. We now use these files to push our local files from our system. We push them to online repository. Now, this will help our hosting server to serve these files to a user request. That's basically simple. That therefore means that as I'm using this to teach you, you cannot really access this local host from your system. Now let's quickly do that. For you to move these files to a server, you can use agent to ask agent, how do I do this? But because I've spent time to handle this, I can just quickly show you. Now, first and foremost, we need to build this web app. Now, without having the knowledge of React or React.js, how everything works. Now, what you first of all do is that you have to build it. Now, let's say I would like to build this, so I build this, so I move to production. So let's take a quick look. Now it says the user wants to build the application. So to build this, I'll compile the front end. Now I said we have to write npm run build. We can run it on the terminal or we can just accept this. So it's going to build these things for us. So the front end asset have been built successfully. Now let me optimize Laravel for production.